Hello friends, here I am once again with my new mini Arduino based machine. Today I have built this machine to test the limit switch. Limit switches are the critical part of any machinery. They save machines and human beings from any possible injuries. So limit switch must be quite accurate and well working every time. So in this machine we can place a limit switch and a arm connected with the stepper motor shaft. Press it as much as time we want. The trigger of NO and NC element of the limit switch will be monitored by Arduino and it displayed in this small OLED display. If limit switch missed any of the trigger, so the Arduino will detect it and declare that limit switch test is fail. Otherwise at the end it will pass the limit switch. So more to know how I made this machine, continue to watch the video. As per the circuit drawing, I quickly prepared a PCB design and export it in a Gerber file format. Now I visit jlcpcb.com to order PCB. I always preferred JLC PCB for my PCB needs because they have very affordable rates for quality PCB, like $2 for 10 PCB. They are now also not charging any extra cost for colored PCB, which is very amazing and pocket friendly deal. Simply upload your Gerber file to JLC PCB website. That's it. You will get your PCB in your hand in just a few days, thanks to their fast manufacturing and shipping service.